how to create discounts and coupons, you can create coupon codes to send to your visitors for purchasing products from your online store. To create a coupon, go to Discounts and click on Promotional Coupons. Click on Create Coupon and add a code of your choice. You can enter the discount value in euros or as a percentage and set a minimum amount to apply the coupon. You can choose for the coupon to be deleted after the first use or to be reusable. You can make the coupon valid for all products or only for non-discounted products. You can easily create discount sessions during the sales period in your e-commerce. Go to Discount Sessions and click on Create Discount Sessions. Give the session a name, such as, for example, Winter Sales, and enter a start date and an end date. Select a discount value in percentage or in euros. Choose whether to apply the discount to the full price or also to the already discounted price. Click on Edit Product List and check the products to which you want to apply the discount. Click on Save Changes to save the modifications.